Oh yeah, I gotta do that too, huh? Since I'm leaving the car.
Yeah, dude.
So we went to this pop-up.
About to go rob these motherfuckers.
With some vegan comfort food. And they have like a chicken sandwich, like a vegan chicken sandwich, and some fries. And we're gonna go get that.
Look at you being out in the real world with actual humans.
82! Here's the sandwich.
Thank you.
I'll take that off your hands. And then here's the barbecue fries.
Thank you.
You're welcome, guys. Enjoy.
Thank you.
So here's our like barbecue chicken fries, and then here is our chicken sandwich. I think it's just the classic. So it's got like coleslaw on top of like a chicken patty.
First bite of our crispy chicken sandwich.
Any good?
Well, really good.
Really good? Here we go. That's really crispy.
Yeah.
It's good.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Francisco's making the milkiest chocolate ice cream in the world. Is that what it's called?
Yes. This is like hot chocolate ice cream. This is like good hot chocolate ice cream.
Have you tried it yet?
No, it's boiling hot.
Like that would stop you.
It would stop me a little bit.
Oh, okay. Turned into kind of a busy afternoon. We went out and got dinner. Now we're making ice cream. My friend Jordan's coming over.
Yeah. Yeah. This was definitely another boring day.
Yep. We're going kayaking!
We're going kayaking!
Our first kayaking trip in like 2 years!
Well, we tried to go like 2 weeks ago.
Oh, we didn't.
We didn't.
Excited?
I'm excited. I like kayaking.
And Francisco made fresh focaccia for breakfast, and we got this homemade blueberry jam. Francisco's gonna get the kayak ready, and I was gonna go look at the lake because it is so much emptier than when we were here last time. Okay, baby, ready to go kayaking?
Ready to go kayaking. Waiting on you.
We're in the boat.
We're in the boat.
We're out of practice. We haven't kayaked in years. This lake is much bigger than our normal lake.
It's much bigger than a normal lake.
This is gonna be fun. I'm excited.
I am excited too.
Gonna head over that way. I'm trying to find some turtles and some cool birds if possible. Why do you think he's dead and floating?
Fish die. They'll definitely float when they die.
He turned around again. Stopped at UDF for some ice cream. I got some kind of sundae here. Care to enlighten me?
Cookies and cream with strawberry sauce.
What you got?
And I got a peanut butter chip malt.
Peanut butter chip malt. Can I try it?
Yeah. I feel like I always panic after I order you ice cream.
You panicked?
I never know what to get you.
Churning up the milkiest chocolate ice cream in the world.
Yeah.
Got it all churned. Looking super chocolatey.
So this is our homemade strawberry preserves. It's strawberry. There's some big chunks of ginger and some lemon peel. I'm gonna be taking the ginger lemon peel out. But this has been baking for about 40 minutes. And so I'm gonna take those out, let it cool, and then kind of mash it up and see how it looks. So in addition to our strawberry preserves, I got all steamy. I'm also making some vanilla sea salt caramel sauce. So this is my caramel based cooking right now.
Francisco just got back from picking up some bowl, which is supposed to be some like acai bowls. I guess they're like deconstructed bowls, and you kind of just have to assemble them yourselves. But here are all the ingredients.
Looks good.
These are only, well, this size is $5. Comes with several ingredients of your choosing, or like pre-selected. We actually had a deal to get like $4 off $12. So all this for $8.
How are you today, sir?
Very good, how are you? Picking up food for Lopez?
For Lopez? It
Yes.
should be about done. He was working on the queso fritas. I was just back there. If you could just sign that for me real fast. Here's the sangria. I'll go double check on
Thank
the
you.
queso. What timing?
Fantastic. Thank you.
Fresh. You have a great day.
You too.
Francisco just got back from picking up some Papi Jochos. So we got our vegetarian hot dog, a vegetarian taco, and some queso fritas. Looks good. There you have it. Francisco's completed acai smoothie bowl. My turn. Okay, there's mine. Look at Zaro. He is just all snuggled up with the power supply for the computer. It's like hot, and he picks the extra hot place to get his warmth. We're hiking. Going to see a waterfall.
Actually really pretty. That's a waterfall. I'm taking a video of you.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, what was that? Oh, you got mud on your legs already.
Put a foot there. Okay. Okay, there we go, there we go. Okay. Now come on down.
You're not
Right here.
recording anything.
It's recording the funniness, okay? Now take a big step. There you go. Other one.
Like that slippery.
Okay, take a step. Okay, here you go. Take this in case I fall.
Whoa, you just got me all wet.
Sorry. I was trying to capture my graceful mountain goat.
I have no grace when it comes to hiking.
Yeah, you're really only graceful on a surfboard. There's gonna be a bunch of video of me recording as you're crossing stuff just in case you fall on your butt. Because it's funny. No.
He's eating it. I think it's like ice cream or something. He's getting all wet.
Getting sweaty.
Yeah, I can tell. Okay, here is our ice cream. Now you get pictures.
It's melting.
The line's about the same as when we first got here. Francisco excitedly explained that we have a orange tomato here. Surprisingly a small tomato. I've been waiting for some of these larger tomatoes to start turning more red, but they're still very green. Today we learned that figs are not vegetarian because they're full of dead wasps. We're not going to be able to see them. Francisco's cutting open a dried fig
Are you sure we can't see them?
I don't think you're gonna be able to see them because I think they kind of like end up actually like dissolving inside the fruit. Let me see.
I mean, it's hard to not imagine parts of this as being wasp meat.
But yeah, mind blown. Like apparently wasps crawl inside of like figs, like all figs. So.
You know what? I fucking hate wasps. So good. We should be eating them.
No, you just ate a wasp, bruh.
Good. Wasps are assholes.
You don't just eat things that are assholes. You're gonna eat Trump?
No, I'll eat those. Yeah. I was actually just recording you. You look really silly.